Hey everybody, it's Mindy. Look at this cute little painting. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. It's just a little guy. I like it. All right, so let me tell you what this is. Besides being square, you can tell it's square because of the blue line. Square diamond painting. This is the elusive painting. Yes, elusive. Why do I say that? Because we were supposed to be able to find this at Home Goods. Do you know how hard I tried to find this at Home Goods? My friends tried to find it at Home Goods. It was never available at our Home Goods. So apparently Diamond Art Club decided to just put it on the website. Yes, wine basket, wine bike basket. Yes, Susan Wingate. I wanted this so bad. And man, I could not find it. I would call. I think I went to my Home Goods. I only have one in my area. I went there like twice, I know for sure. Called about 2 or 3 times. Thank you for putting this on the website so we could get it. Wine bike basket. It's a cute little thing. 16 inches by 18 inches. 46 by 41. Susan Wingate. Yay, look at it. It's one of them old bikes, you know, and got a basket full of wine. Oh my God. Really? Okay, it's square drill. Square drill. So you get tweezers with your square drill, your pen, baggies, heart-shaped wax. There's a squishy in there someplace. There's a squishy. There's a 4-placer in there, I'm sure, underneath those baggies. I'm not going to take it all out. I just want to get to the painting and show you the painting because I'm so excited to have it. So yeah. Several of us tried and tried and tried to find this. And if any one of us found it, we were going to get it for each other. So thank you. Thank you for putting it on the website. The second it was on the website, I bought it. Okay, somebody questioned me earlier about how this is not serged. Because we always say the edges are serged and scalloped. And they're like, well, serging requires stitching and it's not stitched. But why do they have holes? And I'm like, I don't know. Everybody just always says they're scalloped and serged. So they're scalloped and dotted? I don't know. What would you call it? I don't know. Point taken, but I don't know. I really don't. Anyhow, what they do to the edge is to keep it from fraying. That I can tell you. It's a nice soft canvas. This one's weird. It's not quite as soft as normal. It's weird. Okay. And this one has that. Okay. This one has the stuff coming off it. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. Something interesting. I had that happen one other time where it's kind of like it's peeled. Weird. Weird, 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 weird. Okay, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Here's our drills. Nice little bag of drills, isn't it? Here is our instruction sheet with a code. There's a code in here, okay? But if you don't have one of these and you haven't bought from Diamond Art Club, you can use Mindy15 and take 15% off your first order. All right? Yes. First time buyers, Mindy15. All right. Here it is. Wine bike basket. Start and end date. Look at it. We got grapes. We got this gingham cloth, tablecloth or towel, something. Look at the daisies. And the bird, flowers, the wine. I love this. It's so cute. I just love this. It has 46 colors. All right. 46 colors. Here's your symbols. See your symbols. There they are. And what do we have for ABs? Anything under 150. So look, we're getting 126, 129, 132, 141. That's 4. 141 white, orange, green or yellow, and a purple? It's gotta be in the gingham. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Okay, here's a legend on this side. Look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. Oh, the flowers have AB. Look, the 4. The 4 is AB. The 4 is AB in the flowers. Yay. Oh, look at, they're all 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Okay, so the white, where's the purple AB gonna go? Maybe it's not purple. I don't see it in here. I see 4s, the white. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. There's got to be one somewhere. Look at this nice little size. I love it. Okay, that's a bottle of 2012. Can you read that? The wine is vintage 2012. Love it. That's fun. Fun, fun. Nice. I love this. Oh my gosh, the basket, the wicker basket. Hey, you know what? My bike's that color. It is. My bike. I don't have a bike with that kind of handlebars, but my bike is that color. It is. Maybe I should put a basket on there and some wine, right? I love it. I'm going to call him a, my mind just went blank. I'll tell you what kind of bird I think that is when I remember. Because it just escaped me. Anyhow, look, it got sunglasses hanging off here. We got our glasses, 2 bottles of wine. You know, it's going to be a long afternoon, apparently. More flowers, pretty sky back there. I just love this. Love it. I'm so happy to have this. So happy to have this. Thank you, thank you, thank you for putting it on the website so we could get it, because Home Goods wasn't helping out. Wine bike basket, square drill, square S with ABs. Okay, let's look at the colors. I still haven't seen where the ones are. Oh, there's some. That is not where I thought they'd be, though. Okay. All right. Let's look at them. Let's look at them. Okay. Chickadee. Chickadee. Okay. Well, look at here. Our very first bag we're going to look at is the white AB. Very first bag right there. White AB. So it's in with the big boys. The white. Nice. Look at all the pretty colors. That iridescent coating on there. Aurora Borealis. Pink, orange, purples. Love it. So we get some greens. Got a lot of greens, I'm going to guess. Gray. Love that purple. It's one of my favorites. 209. Oh, there's my 3371. Maritza, I know you hate 3371. It's in all of them though. There's 208. There's some basket colors. Some more basket colors. Probably more basket colors. Probably flowers. Love it. Okay, what else? Oh, here's our background. Pretty blue. $7.75. There's 3 bags of that. Nice. Another great selection of greens. All the greens. All the greens. Another brown, tanny rust color. All right, where's the rest of those ABs? Come on, ABs. Where are you? Here's our little bitty bags. All right, a gray, dark gray. Salmon color. Are you seeing these? There's a yellow. A little bit of yellow somewhere. Yellow is number 2. We'll look for that. Oh, here's the little pinky purple. It's like actually very light purple. Light lavender color. There's not a lot of these ABs at the end here. Look at the orange. We get that many. I don't know if I'll be able to find those, but I'll give it a go. I'll see if I can find them. Green, mustard, a little bit of gray. All right, so we know we got a ton of white. So the white, as we know, is number 4. And I've already said it's in all of the daisies. All the daisies get some white. Our gingham gets white AB. More in the flowers here. And some in the wine bottle. All right, so that's where the whites go. The 3s, oh my gosh, the 3s are orange. Okay, so some of the flowers get 3s in the center. Like this one has 4. None of those do. But up here, we get some of the orange in that flower, that flower, that flower, that flower. So not all of the flowers, just some of the flowers. And then we get a square of the orange right there. I don't know why there, but there, okay. Here's our ones, the lavender. This is the only place I've seen it so far, is right in here, right there. I don't see it anyplace else. I've looked. I don't see it anyplace else. That's the lavender color. Yeah, I don't find them anywhere else. Oh, look at this whole flower. This whole daisy right there is AB. The whole thing is AB. That's why it doesn't have ABs in the center, because the whole flower is AB. And then the twos are the yellow. Where are they at? Where are the twos? There's just a few. Where are they? Two. Okay, I'm finding them. Hang on. In the grapes. Here. And two grapes. Two grapes have some ABs. Oh, here we go. Here's some more. In the wine bottle right here. We get twos. And then these grapes right here. It's like the sun must be hitting right there. You get a little shimmer here and a little shimmer on these grapes right here. That's where the sun hit. Okay. Isn't this just the cutest little kit though? I mean, it's adorable. It's a beautiful size. I love it. It wouldn't take too long to do. It's a big, huge basket and some big wine bottles, so everything just shows up really well. Love it. Love it. Did I forget? I forgot to tell you down here. You have all your details, information. All right. Thank you for putting this on the website so that we could get it. Thank you. All right. Don't forget, you can use my code Mindy15 if you're a first-time purchaser, and you can go get one. Go pick yourself up one or some other stuff. They've got such awesome stuff coming out lately. It's hard to resist things. I'm just like, I like it. All right. We got wrinkles in that plastic, as you can see, but it is just the plastic. It does not go through to that canvas. Look at that canvas. Look at it. It's shiny. Okay, see those lines? That's where the plastic just kind of made a mark on the glue. That's all it is. Yep. Got glitter in there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. All right. That's all I got for today, guys. I'm going to let you go and check it out. I'll link it below. I'm pretty sure it's available. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button. Subscribe. If you are new here, it would be great if you subscribe and come back and see more things. Because I try to show great stuff. Okay? All right. I'm going to go now, and I will talk to everybody soon. I love it. I just love it. Okay. All right. Bye, everybody.